I really don't want to get wet, but I will if I have to. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is pretty special. My brother Bryant went out with me and he got himself a pretty dang good sized flathead catfish. As you guys will see in this video, we were super excited about this fish. He doesn't get out very often. He's busy with a full-time job and he has 3 daughters and a wife, and man, he's just busy all the time. So finally got to go out last night and I'm super glad that we did. He got a big old catfish. I lost a pretty decent sized catfish. I didn't put that in the video, but definitely gonna go back and hit that spot again. Really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I really appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and yeah, let's get into it. Nice 70 pounder. We'll slurp that up, no problem. And surprisingly, a little 5 pounder will eat one of these too, so we'll keep him. I think that's a medium one. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. Okay, come here, buddy. Another one. About the same size. Yes, sir. Oh, that's a fighter. That one is beautiful. Guys, look at the colors on that one. Yep, you're too big too. God dang. Nothing like catching some bluegills though, man. I love catching bluegill, especially on a little ultralight rod. Can't go wrong with it. Yeah, that's a keeper. Oh yeah, all day. Alrighty, boys and girls. I think we got 6 bluegill in there. Ranges of big and small. I kept a kind of a small one just in case Bryant wants to use it. But yeah, we're good to go. I'll see you guys at the river. Ooh, big tree. Definitely down a little bit. All right, guys, we made it down to the fishing spot. It only took about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes to get down here. Not too bad. Got my brother Bryant here.
What's up, guys?
And we're gonna give it quite a while at this spot. We're fishing a pretty deep river bend. Deep as in 4, 5, 6 feet. It's not super deep, but for this river it's pretty deep. And got a log jam up around that bend, and there's also a log jam downstream as well. I'll show you guys what we got for bait. Got some big bluegills. They're all tuned up. And then Bryant got some bullheads for us tonight. And we got some green sunfish. So we're gonna post up here, give it a little bit and see what happens. You guys stay tuned. We're gonna start off, don't mind my finger, I almost cut it off. But we got a little bluegill here, little bluegill head. And got some deep water right along this current seam. I'm gonna go ahead and drop a bait right out there. Still pretty early in the day, so we're gonna throw some cut bait, see if we can't get a big old channel cat or maybe a flathead. In rod number 2, got just a little bluegill here. I'm not super happy with that cast, but we'll let it be. And we might put one more right out there Might drop a bullhead down. We'll see what happens. This is a good bank for anything to cruise through,
Oh, yeah.
so. That'd be cool to get a 40 pounder on that rod.
The white one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Or that other one too.
Mm-hmm.
That one's pretty flexible. Alright guys, it's getting closer to sundown. Sun is setting. Got some lively bullheads. I'm gonna give this little bullhead a try. I'm gonna toss this guy out as far as I can. All my line just came out. My reel. And it went into the river.
Did you put that on yourself, that line?
No, I had it on when I bought it.
Damn.
God damn it.
That's fucking wild.
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah, when you use braid, you should always put mono on first.
Yeah. I was gonna switch out the line and I didn't. God dang it. I'm mad because the bullhead went in.
That's a blooper, that.
Oh, got him.
Oh. Out of its mouth. I don't know what that was. Dang, dude.
Teeth. They're hitting the gar too.
Mm-hmm.
Or the bullheads even. You got a flathead. Yes, sir. Brian's hooked up with a nice flathead right now. I really don't want to get wet, but I will if I have to. Bring him right here.
I'm trying.
Careful. Careful. He won't open up yet. Not yet. Ugh. That is a fat cat. Oh,
You got
yes,
him.
sir.
Dude.
That's
Dude.
a giant. That's a big dog. Good
Hell
job,
yeah.
brother.
He was just chilling.
Dude, that thing has a fat head. Oh my god.
Oh, he swallowed. Look it. Still got my
Oh,
ball
you got your
head.
bullhead. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Little bullhead. Giant fish. That thing is huge.
Dude. Just come out of spawn too. Look at his tail.
Yeah.
All tore up. Dude, this is 4 foot long.
Yeah, that's a big one. Man, what a stud.
You gotta try and get me a picture
Yeah.
of that.
Yes, sir. Those are good pictures.
Are they?
Yep.
It's a big producer.
Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get her back. Him back. He's a big old male. Look at the colors on it. A bunch of scars on him.
Oh yeah.
Shallow water giant.
Yeah.
There he goes.
Look at those. All the mud behind him.
Yeah. Back to the depths. What a giant. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button. First flathead catfish of this year. And man, what a absolute tank of a fish. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.